You've been telling yourself a story for as long as you can remember. Who you are, what you've been through, what you deserve. But what if that story isn't actually you? Every time you repeat it to yourself, to others around you, your brain wires it deeper. Neurons fire, pathways strengthen, and soon that story becomes the cage. Your mind constantly building a narrative to make sense of the chaos. But here's the secret. That narrator in your head isn't a person. It's more of a process. A loop of thoughts playing themselves into existence. When you stop feeding it attention, something strange begins to happen. The voice begins to fade, and awareness, silent, infinite, starts to shine through. Let's try this right now. Pause for a moment and look back. Every story you tell about yourself, where did it come from? From what someone once said about you? From what worked or what hurt you? From what you had to become to be loved? Piece by piece, those moments formed an image, a version of you that learned to survive. But here's the thing, those stories were never the whole truth. They were reflections, not reality. Echoes you mistook for your own voice. Now you carry them, repeating them every day, until these reflections feel like that's you. But underneath all of that, there's something untouched. A presence that was there before the stories began. Like the silent depth of the ocean, always there, even when the surface is in storm. When you begin to live from that space, your story still exists, but it no longer owns you. Pain loses its power over you. The past loses its grip on you. You start responding instead of repeating. Flow replaces flight, and the you that remains feels light. Try this out. Every time your mind begins to narrate who you are, what you can or can't be, pause. Take a slow, gentle breath, and instead of diving into the story, take a step back and notice the space it's arising from. That quiet awareness, that's you. Not the voice, not the character, but the screen behind it all. The more you rest there, the lighter everything feels. The story keeps moving, but you're no longer trapped inside it. And when you touch that stillness, even for a single moment, life starts to unfold differently. It stops being something you tell and starts becoming something you live. So try it for the next 7 days and come back here and share your experience. Because the moment you see beyond your story, you begin to remember